Hello, and thank you for joining me for this segment where I'm going to teach you how to communicate in Greece without speaking any Greek. You're going to use your body and gestures to communicate with other people. So the most important one is to know how to say no in Greek. If somebody asks you a question or you want to say no, you want to reply with a no, you go like this. You put your tongue on the top of the roof of the mouth and you go, that means no. If you raise your shoulders, that means you don't know. You see somebody going like this. If you go like this, that's really bad. Don't do it in public, because that means that somebody's wife is fooling around with another man. So that person is getting the horns. Be careful. If you're really upset or somebody is very upset, they'll do this with the fingers open. That's called a mountza. But if they do this with both hands, they're really mad. So be careful. So don't go like this with your fingers closed. That means stop, right? Open hand, mountza. Of course, if you go like this with your hand like this across your belly, that means that you're hungry. If you go like this, you're asking the person, you got any smokes? You're asking for a cigarette. You go like this, remember, or I'll remember you, right? You remember. If you go like this, you mean the person is crazy. Let's go for a drink. Mountza, let's go to eat. But you can say, go away, leave me alone. If you just go like this. If you do this, if you put your two fingers, index fingers together, you go like this, that means that a couple, like a man and a woman, they're dating, they're going out. So, you may say that somebody's in cahoots with somebody else to do something, right? When you go like that, what's your problem? You put your three fingers together. What's your problem? What's the matter you? You go like this. That means calm down, calm down. Getting the attention of wait staff. You can go like this, right? You can clap your hands, or as my mom did several times back in Greece, while you're holding a glass or a bottle, you just bang it on the table. Then we have the equivalent of this. In Greece, it's this. If you go like this, you tell the other person to go F himself. If somebody does or says something that you really don't agree with and you really think it's bullshit, you can go like this. You go like this. Malaka! That means the other person, somebody's doing, you're listening to a political speech that the person is promising or who knows what, or he or she says something that you really don't agree with. You can just turn around and go like this. And that means that you disagree with whatever they say. Thank you for joining me in this segment where you learn how to speak a little bit of Greek by with gestures, with your body language. Thank you, and have a good day.